Pwalpar here. Just a little quick vlog today. Good day, YouTubers. We're at the quick lane at the Ford dealership in McDonough. Why, you may ask? Well, our 2015 Ford Escape started acting like it's got a weak battery. Get this warning on the computer, says system off to save battery. Well, first of all, we look up under the hood of the car and I can't even find the darn battery. It's in a little plastic box back almost against the firewall. Well, if I get the lid off of it and look, I don't see nothing wrong with the battery. But we brought it over here to get it checked. The battery's in such a predicament, you can't change it yourself. The time was when you could just go to the auto parts place and get a 1/2-inch wrench and pop your battery out and stick a new one in there. You didn't really need no mechanic. They got it fixed now where you got to take off the cowling and the windshield wipers and screws and bolts and nuts and reach up under there to get the parts took off. And you know it's intentional. They don't want no shade tree mechanics changing their own battery. And it was either going to be the battery or the alternator. I had my fingers crossed on it being the battery, and that's what the computer said a while ago. So they got it in there changing. We're going to sit here an hour or so. But it's kind of ironic, I think, that you can't even change your own damn battery no more. Oh, I'm sure I could if I spent 2 hours out there in the blazing heat, been over it, pulling all them nuts and bolts and screws out. But they've made it complicated enough that the average Joe is going to go to the garage. Everything on that engine now is all clumped up under plastic covers anyway. I wouldn't know one end of that motor from the other one. They don't even look like a regular car motor no more. And then again, they got it all hooked to computers. You can't check nothing without a computer. I'm racking my brain trying to figure why that flag is at half-mast across the road. Maybe somebody died or it's a holiday or something. Look at here, he getting hauled in with a wrecker. I'm sure, oh, his back tires tore all the hell. Must have got in a collision or something. His back wheel was tore up. Anyway, just a little short vlog to check in with my viewers today. I hope everybody has a good battery and ain't having to spend some of their do-re-mi today. We've had that car since 2015, so it's time for a new battery. It's kind of convenient that the tires wore out last month, and this month the battery wore out. Wonder what's next. Y'all have a good day. Pwalpar signing off.